Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine. This is your E.V.S teacher, and in this video session we'll be discussing your second chapter of unit 3rd, that is food for animals. So before we start, let us discuss what is food and what are animals. Animals, as we all know, are the living organisms. And food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for an organism. Food is what animals and people eat to live. Food is the basic need of all living beings. All living things need food to live and grow. Animals are broadly classified into 3 main categories depending upon the food they eat. They are herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivorous animals are those animals which depend on plant for their food. For example, cow, zebra. Herba means plant and vorous means eaters. So plant-eating animals are called herbivores. Carnivorous animals are those animals which depend on flesh of other animals for their food. For example, lion, tiger. Carn means flesh and vorous means eaters. So flesh-eating animals are called carnivores. Omnivorous animals are those animals which depend on both plants and animals for their food. For example, deer, crow, and human beings. Okay students, for better understanding of this chapter, let's watch this video.
Different animals eat different types of food. Some animals eat plants, while some eat the flesh of other animals. Animals adapt themselves according to their feeding habits and show variation in their body organs. Based on feeding habits, animals fall into different categories. Animals that eat plants are called herbivores. Animals that eat flesh are called carnivores. And animals that eat plants as well as flesh are called omnivores. Let's discuss about each in detail. Herbivores adapt themselves to eat plants as their main food. A cow, a buffalo, a sheep, a goat, and a giraffe are some examples of herbivores. Herbivores possess sharp front teeth for cutting plants and leaves and strong broad back teeth for chewing. Carnivores such as a tiger, a lion, a fox, and a hyena eat the flesh of other animals, so they have sharp, pointed, and curved teeth for tearing flesh. Animals like a cockroach, a crow, and a bear are omnivores. They eat plants as well as the flesh of other animals. Omnivores have sharp tearing and strong grinding teeth for feeding on all types of food. Human beings too are omnivores. There are certain animals that eat the remains of dead animals. These animals are called scavengers. An eagle and a vulture are examples of scavengers. Scavengers have well-developed claws and beaks that help them tear flesh.
Hope you understood it well. We shall meet again in next video with a new chapter. Till then, Allah Hafiz.